Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for your online course creation projects. Let's get started with step 1, setting up your account. Go to UPBASE's website and create an account if you haven't done so. This step is essential because without an account, you can't access UPBASE's course creation tools. It's a quick and easy process, so don't worry. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2. Creating your course. Find the New Course button and click on it. Fill in the course name, description, and other necessary details, then click Create. The reason we do this is to give your course a unique identity and provide potential students with information about what they can expect from your course. Next up, step 3, adding content. In the course editing dashboard, start adding sections, lectures, and quizzes. You can also upload video lessons, text documents, and other multimedia resources. This helps us because it gives your course a structured learning pathway, making it easier for your students to understand and follow. Having added content, let's go to step 4, testing your course. This involves running through the course as a student to ensure all the content is correctly linked and that quizzes function as they should. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're catching any glitches or errors before your students do, ensuring a smooth learning experience for them. And finally, step 5, publishing your course. Once you're satisfied with your course, hit the Publish button. Let me explain why this matters. Until you publish your course, it's invisible to students. Publishing it makes it live and accessible to everyone. And there we go. You've just created an online course using UPBASE. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if you don't get everything right the first time. Keep experimenting with different content formats and approaches to find what works best for your students. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.